Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, or CPR, is a simple act that can save someone's life by pumping their heart using chest compressions and breathing into them. Before performing CPR, look around to ensure the area is safe, remove hazards if possible, and call 911. When to perform CPR. Check for breathing. If breathing is not present, begin CPR. Chest compressions. Step 1. Place your hands on top of each other, fingers interlaced in the center of the chest. Step 2. Elbows locked and using your upper body weight, push down 2 inches or 5 centimeters, hard and fast, 2 times per second. Rescue breath. After each set of 30 compressions, tilt the person's head, open their mouth, pinch the nostrils, place your mouth over theirs, and breathe twice. To protect yourself, use a CPR mask, preferably with a one-way valve. If you are not comfortable rescue breathing, perform hands-only CPR compressions. Keep it going. Continue CPR until responders arrive, an AED is available, or there are signs of life. To learn more about CPR and how to use an AED, sign up for a first aid training course at sja.ca.